Hi, good day guys. I'm Abraham Utikal for Light Australia. We have been pleasantly surprised by the immense response to the Aussie Malayalam language learning project. We had a lot of requests to add an extra segment for kids and adults alike to talk in Malayalam. We thought we will put in a new segment called Let's Talk in Malayalam. This is a scenario-based learning project both for kids and adults who want to learn to talk in Malayalam in the easiest way. Next few weeks we are going to come up with simple, straightforward, scenario-based Malayalam learning. For example, if you meet another kid at the party, how are you going to talk to him? You meet another Malayali in a social gathering, how are you going to talk to him? So Let's Talk in Malayalam is simple 5 question-based learning scenarios. So there will be only 5 easy questions in each session, which you can learn bit by bit. So if you need to eat an apple, the first thing you do is to cut it into small pieces and take one piece at a time. So the same principle is applied here as well in Let's Talk in Malayalam. You come across any Malayali, anywhere, these are the simple 5 icebreaker questions. You can initiate a conversation with anyone without knowing anything about this person. So let's listen to these 5 questions and then I will go into detail about how to learn it quickly as well. So here we start. Namaskaram. Hello. Sugam Ano. Are you okay? Sugam Ana. I am doing well. Endu unda vishesham. How are things? Nalla vishesham. Things are going great. These are the 5 questions. You can easily start a conversation with any Malayali. So now let's go into the nitty-gritty details of this question. So the first question I asked was Namaskaram. That's it. Namaskaram, or in Hindi they say Namaskar. These are all the commonest Indian way of saying good morning, good afternoon, or hello, hi. It all can be condensed into Namaskaram. The response very much is very straightforward. Hello or a Namaskaram in return. So that opens up the opportunity to talk to this person. Second question, we very easily can ask anyone of any age is Sugam Ano. So it has got 2 parts to it, Sugam and Ano. So Ano is a question. So are you going okay is what we imply by Sugam Ano. And you can understand that the answer is very much there in a question. When you are starting off learning Malayalam, it's hard to learn all the complex words. So more or less you can pick the cues from the question itself. So when they ask Sugam Ano, you can use the same Sugam from the question to answer this. So this is what the answer I am coming up with, Sugam Ana. So I'm just saying I am doing fine. And then the next open-ended question you ask, Endu unda vishesham. So it's got 3 parts. Endu is what? Unda and vishesha, news. So we put it together as Endu unda vishesham, which primarily means what's up guys, what's there, how are things. So it's a very open-ended question. You can use it to start a conversation. And the response very much is in the question. You are using the word vishesham and you are saying nalla vishesham, good news. Or in a nutshell you say I'm doing great. So when you start off a conversation with a new person, you are not going to use negative kind of response like Endu unda vishesham means are you going okay, and you say oh it's horrible, that's bad, it's this. So you just say, you try to say more open-ended pleasant things, and then once you get to know the person more, you may talk more in detail, which we'll learn down the track. So I hope that this icebreaker 5 question session is handy for you. So this is just an introduction. We'll go into more detail in the next few weeks to come. So stay tuned guys. This is Abraham signing off from Light Australia, Canberra. Thanks for viewing guys.